What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow your trading account from a small account into a big account. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the problems that are going to come up when you're trying to grow your small account. So many of you have tried to do this before, so you'll see this and you'll be very familiar with all of these issues. So the first issue that you will face is completely blowing your account. Blowing your account means to take your account completely to zero. This has happened to me before, this has happened to a lot of you before, and I know that if you're watching this, it's probably happened to you or it will happen to you at some point in your trading journey. You need money to trade, so you cannot be out here blowing your account. So in one moment, we're going to talk about the solution to all of these problems. The second problem you're going to face is that you're not making any money on your trades. If you have a small account, you're probably only making, $5, $10, maybe $50 per trade, and you're not making enough money to actually grow your account. The last problem that you're facing is that you're super emotional whenever you're in a trade. This causes you to think with emotions and feelings instead of thinking with logic. Being super emotional will also cause you to miss out on opportunities because you're not thinking clearly. Your mind is being clouded by fear. So now I'm going to tell you how exactly to solve all of these problems. If you don't want to blow your account, you need to use risk management. Risk management means to only risk a small percentage of your account so that if a trade goes wrong, it's not a big issue. Most of you risk a super big percentage of your account, so every time you lose a trade, it completely messes up your entire account. As a rule of thumb, you should not be risking more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If you're blowing your account, you're likely risking 10% of your account or even 20 to 30% of your account per trade, so that if you take 3 or 4 losses, you literally have no money to trade with. Risk management will also help you be a better trader because you'll be able to trade with a clear mind because you're not so focused on the outcome of each individual trade. When you're risking a small percentage of your account, you're okay if the trade goes wrong because you know that you can afford to take a loss. The solution to you being overly emotional is to have a trading plan and to use good risk management. So both of these go hand in hand. So you need good risk management so that you're not risking too much of your account so that you can trade with a clear mind. And you need a trading plan so you're actually aware of what you're going to do once you're in the trade. Most people don't make a trading plan until they're in the trade, right? So they'll get in a trade and then they'll say, okay, I'm going to get out here, or I'm going to keep in this trade until I'm at this point. Instead, you should be making a trading plan before you're in the trade. So before you enter the trade, you should have a very clear idea of, okay, I'm targeting 10 points, I'm targeting 20 points, here's my stop loss, here's my take profit. So make the trading plan before you're in the trade. Don't make the trading plan once you're already in the trade, because when you're already in the trade, you're going to be emotional and you're going to be going back to thinking with that emotional side of your brain. So make sure that you're making the trading plan before you're in the actual trade. Now the solution to you not making any money is to target high quality setup. So what is a high quality setup? A high quality setup is a setup that has a really good risk to reward ratio. So a risk to reward ratio is how much money you are risking to earn a certain amount back. So if I'm having a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, this means that I'm risking $1 to make $2, or I'm risking $1,000 to make $2,000. This is a decent quality setup. I prefer to target 1 to 3 risk to reward or 1 to 4. So if I'm risking $1,000, I want to make $3,000 back. If I'm risking $1,000, I want to make $4,000 back, right? And our options analyst targets even higher probability setups. He'll target 1 to 8s, 1 to 10s, and sometimes even 1 to 20s. The reason you're not able to make any money is because you're targeting super low quality setups. So even if the trade does win, you're only going to make $5, $2, $3 because your risk to reward ratio is not there. So when you take these 3 things and you put them all together, this is called the small account formula. Take this formula and apply it, and I promise you, you will see better results in growing your account. Now I'm going to show you how to find high quality setups and some high quality setups that we've recently found. So this was one of our premium members, Captain Huss. He was able to make $10,200 in one day by following my futures game plan. Every single day I send out a game plan to the entire premium community, telling them exactly what I think is going to happen in the market with levels, trade setups, and everything. So he followed this game plan and he was able to make $10,200. This shows the importance of targeting high quality setups, because if he was not targeting high quality setups, he may have made some money, but he probably would have only made $100, $200. He would not have made 10 grand. My man Frank grew his account from $500 to $5,500 by following our options watch list. So every single day, our options analyst sends out a watch list of 2 key levels on a bunch of different stocks that we're looking at. So Frank followed this watch list and was able to make $5,500. And again, this is only possible because he's targeting high quality setups. We're targeting the best trades, the best setups. He grew his account by 1,300% in that one trade. My man Garrett was able to make $2,100 following my ES game plan. On my ES game plan, I like to look for trades that have a very high risk to reward ratio. That's all I'm looking at is high quality setups. I literally do not take the setup if it's not a high quality setup. So I'm either losing a little bit of money or I'm making a lot of money. And that's how you have to be if you want to make money as a trader. Garrett returns again, making $5,400. This trade actually passed his funded account. So you can see that when you target high quality setups, all of these things that you guys have issues with, growing your account, passing a funded account, become very easy. The reason you're having issues with growing your account and passing a funded account and making money is because you're targeting really low quality setups. You're not targeting good trades. So when you target good trades, everything becomes so much easier. My man Mason made $6,500 right here following my game plan on ES. Winter J made a quick $603 following our options alerts. Mason passed a 50K funded account challenge in 16 minutes. So once again, guys, when you target high quality setups, everything becomes easier. This is my man Breezy making a quick $573 off of our options alert. So once again, high quality setups equals money. When you target high quality setups, you make money. It's very simple. My man Ryan made $1,300 following our options watch list on SPY. My man right here made a quick $1,100 in profit. You can see that he had a $200 loss, but then he ended the day with almost a $1,400 win. So he had a small loss, big win coming out on top, right? This is the importance of high quality setups because he did take that small loss, but then he returns with a big win, meaning that he's going to be on top for the day. Polaris made $9,000 following our futures analyst alerts on NQ. We have a futures analyst named David. He's a beast. He's been making people a ton of money. My man right here grew his account by 60% in a week. He's up $1,300 following our options alerts. My man Darius made $2,500 trading QQQ. He was following our daily watch list. Cool thing about Darius is actually 18 years old. He's in college right now. So if you're watching this, you're probably older than Darius. If you're younger than Darius, that's okay too. But I promise you, there is no excuse for you to not be making money. If an 18-year-old kid can make $2,500 in a day, I promise you that you can too. Darius makes $10,000 to $15,000 every single week from trading. He's well on track to make close to $500,000 this year. The kid is 18. There's literally no excuse for you to not be making money. So here Frank is again. Frank has made over $11,000 in the last week trading options. Actually, in the last 3 days, so not even a week. Frank is one of my one-on-one mentorship students. If you buy Lifetime Premium, you actually get a full one-on-one mentorship with me. So you can reach out to me at any time. I've been working with Frank. I've been helping him perfect his strategy. And as you can see, it has been paying off. And then my man Winston had his first $1,000 week. My man Mikey made $1,380 today. If you would like to join the premium community, you can join by clicking the link in the description of this video. I'll see you all soon and have a great day.